Hello everyone, welcome you back to my YouTube channel where I go through the basic computer skills. So I thank you for your time, and I hope by the end of the video your computer skills will have improved quite significantly. So today I want us to go through how to use SlideMaster to make professional, consistent presentations that can be either for a school, maybe for a project, maybe for any kind of company. The SlideMaster is here to save you the workload with minimal effort, yet your work looks very professional. So to start with, assuming you've already designed your slides, you have them here but they are not yet, maybe the designs are different, the fonts and stuff, you want to edit them but you want you're out of time. Okay, so to save you all that workload, just go to SlideMaster. All the changes you make in SlideMaster will be consistent, and then you won't have to go for each individual slide. So you come here to view, the tab for view, double tap. Okay, so you come here to Slide Master. Now any changes made here will be portrayed in all the rest of the slides. Okay, so this is like the template for all the rest. So to start with, you can start with the headings, how you want them to appear and stuff. How do you want your headings to be, how you want them to look like. So if for the headings, for example, you can say the first headings, I want them in Algerian. Just have to select this, the master heading here, then you choose which one you want to be. Come here to home, then you choose the font that you want. You want Algerian. Then you set the subheadings. You select. Maybe I want them to be Arial black. You can do anything, you can change the sizes, you can change the designs, the fonts, you can add footers, whatever you add. For example, if I add a footer, maybe I just say this footer will appear on all your slides. Okay, then you add the date. So depending on what you want to be portrayed. If you want to change the background, maybe you want to change the design, it looks so formal or not pleasant, just come back here to SlideMaster. Then you come to background styles. You can see there already a few there which are made there for you. Maybe you don't see any nice or suiting for your presentation, you come to format background. Now here you get to change which background you want. If you like using gradient, but you can use solid fill, you can use this, you add a picture, you can use a pattern, whatever you want, but I prefer to use this. So to show if you have to use this, you can choose how you want your colors to be arranged. Okay, so you choose the type linear, radial, any rectangular, whatever design you want. Okay, so you choose. After choosing, then you come here. Assuming now you can see I have 3 colors. Maybe you don't want to remove the orange, you don't like it, you just come here and you choose which color do you want. Maybe I add this, it will appear there. Maybe I want to remove this one also. You can remove it, then you're left with 2. I want to change this, you can make it red. It looks a little bit not so much, not so nice, so you maybe decide to add another color. You just select this. Okay, you add another color, then which color would it be? Maybe black, so you add the color there. Oh, you say it is too dark, so you get to design the document the way you want it to be, and your designs will appear in all the others. So maybe I say let it be that. Okay, I just say apply to all. If you apply to all, then all the other slides, that will be their background design. Okay, so you choose. Now after designing, maybe I want, let me say now this one is for headings, the first, the second, the third. Okay, said you want this one to be, you said you want it to be maybe Algerian. So we said all you have to do is to select and then you choose Algerian. Then you go to the subtitles. Which font do you want them to be? Maybe Arial black, it is fine. Then you go to the next. Now I'm going to subtitles. Okay, maybe I want them, so you edit all the stages, and then all you have to do after you're done designing and you feel your work is fine, you can close master master view. Now let's go back and see how our document looks like. Have all our changes been portrayed? So you can see the background, the fonts and everything, it has already been put there. You can see this wasn't the original, so this is the edited one. Now all you have to do after designing your document, you just come here and you save that particular document, maybe you want it to be. So I want to guess if you can save. So that is all you need to know about master slide. Okay, so you can, if you want to see how your presentation will probably look like, you can come here to slideshow. Okay, they give you a sneak preview into how your document will look like. You can see now this is how it will be going. So you can add more changes, whether you want it to be continuous or whatever. That's what you do. So after seeing how your document will look like, how your slides will be, and you see that everything is fine, you can come and exit show. Okay, so that one, they show you how your presentation will be. So that's all you need to know about master slide. Once again, I thank you for your time. Please remember to subscribe, follow up. See you in the next video.